welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going fidget shopping at Five Below, so come on in with me. Yay! We're gonna grab a cart and we will see you guys inside. Hi guys, so we just walked inside. We didn't even get a cart and I ran up to the cash register. We found 2 mochis packs. Well, we found a lot more, but I think we're gonna get one glow-in-the-dark mochi pack and one regular mochi pack. So go with me and we're gonna get a cart this time for real. Oh wait, they have pumpkin box here. Oh. Look how cute. That's so cute. Sorry guys for the interruptions. Like there's Christmas music playing in here. So yeah. So we just went into like the $5 bins area and stuff. There were people there, sorry, so we couldn't film it. But I found this like bluish tealish stress ball. It's jumbo. So we might get that. And if you saw my last Five Below fidget hunting, and then my fidget haul, Five Below haul video, then you will see, I ended up getting a big stress ball. I'm not gonna spoil anything else about those 2 videos, so you're gonna have to go watch them to find out more. But as you saw, we also found these mochis. Glow-in-the-dark and non-glow-in-the-dark 2 packs. And this dimple spinner, and it's like metallic. So, sorry guys. So, yeah, we might get this too. I really like it, and it's my favorite color. So yeah, we're gonna go to the toy on it and see what we can find. Guys, this is a like bug poppet. It's really cute. It's an ombre like bee almost. So they're really cool. Also, these are glow twist tubes, which are pop tubes. If you don't know what pop tubes are, they're things that my mom thinks are very annoying, but they're really satisfying. This is my favorite pack. They have 3 different packs. So I'm gonna put these 2 things in the cart. And we're gonna look over the cart. So, I found this purple and blue wacky trap. That's really cool. And if you saw in my last video, I got this pack of glow-in-the-dark wacky traps. But I might get this pack. They have different colors. Maybe we can get these and then we can link them all together. That would be fun and make a jumbo wacky track. So, yeah, we're gonna go look at all the other ones. Alright guys, so I got this one. Again, go check out my other video to see that. But I got the blue copper pinwheel spinner, so maybe I'll put this one in my cart. Because I like the white one too. I couldn't decide because it was so hard to decide. Okay, and I don't really need any more poppets. But yeah, I'll update you if I find any more poppets that I like. Guys, I have what I was looking for. I've seen these at one of the Five Below, and I got a pack of them. And I've been really wanting another pack of these. They're Cutie Fruities. They're a 5-pack or a 6-pack of Orbeez Squish Balls, and they are only $5. Oh my gosh! And if you didn't see in my last video, I wanted these so bad to show you guys. These are really nice. They're air-filled, stretchy, squishy, like stress balls. They all have little faces on them, like little eyes. And they're like really soft. And I haven't told anyone this before on YouTube, but my favorite color is teal. So I have to get this one. Possibly. It's a maybe. And right down here, right here, are all these stretchy things. So guys, I have this lizard at home. I have this alligator at home. And I also have, yeah, that's all I have. I might get like a green lizard because I really like this color, lizard. And I like the color. So, yeah. Does that sound? Jeez. So we're gonna go to the cart and put these in there. Okay, guys. So, really like fidget items that they have are this star cube, this mini slinky, and these squish 'em things. In my last video, I could not pronounce these, and I'm really sorry that I cannot pronounce the name of that. But yeah, possibly this is a possible thing to get, but actually, I've had a star cube before, and I didn't like it that much. And one of my friends has a star cube, and I played with hers, and I like hers. So I'm not gonna get this, just because I don't really like star cubes, and I don't need slinkies. But this is $1 if you want a slinky. Go to your Five Below. They normally have a lot of them, because yeah, there's a lot of slinkies here. They have a lot. So if you want a mini slinky, go ahead. Go to your Five Below. Get one. They're $1. And over here, hold on guys, I'll be right back. So I found this giant slinky. This is what I wanted to show you guys. It's $5. If you want one of these, you can go to Target and get it for $3 in the dollar bins, because I have one. Or you can come to Five Below and see if you can find them for $5 here. So yeah, these are really satisfying. They don't get tangled very easy. So yeah, these are giant slinkies. We'll update you if we find any more fidgets, but we've been through like all the fidget aisles, but we'll make sure we don't miss any. So this is the clearance section, Five Below, and I don't see any fidgets in it. Yeah, I don't see any. Masks. I'm getting distracted because I've got nail polish on. Where is my cart? I need my cart in. Where is it? Alright guys, I think we're gonna go to sort everything and just see what we're gonna get, and then a haul will be on when I get home. So yeah, we're gonna go check out right now, and like I said, a haul will be when I get home. If you liked this video, sorry it might be a little short, but if you liked this video, please leave a like, turn on post notifications so you will be notified when I post a new video, and subscribe, like I said, and share this video with your friends so I can get extra love on YouTube and they can find me on YouTube. So, I'll see you guys in our next video, which will be my home when I get home. So bye everyone.